Hi everyone, my name is Clint.
And my name is Seth, and Clint and I are on the sales team here at Liberty Systems. And today, Clint and I are going to be having a conversation about Zebra's new ET60 rugged tablet.
Right, and there's a lot of things we really like about this tablet. Like you said, it's Zebra's newest rugged tablet. Very versatile unit, probably one of the most versatile in the industry. So the conversation today is we're going to get into some of those really nice product features of things we really like about the unit. And then we're actually going to take it out to the warehouse, do a little drop demonstration in real time, show you how rugged the unit actually is. I think we might throw it down the stairs, probably have a little fun with it. So Seth, let's start off with those features. Let's talk about those.
Yeah, so right away, this thing has a 10-inch screen that comes with it. It's outdoor viewable, very easy to use. In addition to that, it's just extremely rugged. So whether you're out in the heat or you're in the freezer space, in the cold, if it's raining, snowing, wet conditions, this thing is corrosion resistant as well. So it handles all of those different conditions extremely well. It's actually been more real world tested than any other tablet that's similar to it. So it's just really ready to go for any kind of condition. In addition to that, this thing can be used on forklifts too. So it has vibration dampening for being used on a forklift, as well as antennas in it that are extremely good at roaming throughout the warehouse space, going from one access point to another without losing connection. In addition to that, it has a 20-hour battery life, as well as long-range scanning capabilities of up to 35 feet. And then it's also offered in LTE wireless, and it has CBRS capabilities as well. And then the last couple things to mention about it too is that it has 3 programmable buttons on it. So you can do this for different kind of functions that you'd like to put into your workflow. And then it also has a variety of different cases and accessories, whether it's RFID or payment or vehicle mounts. It has everything that you need.
Yeah, and I think just the number of accessories that it offers just kind of tells you the overall versatility of the unit. You can use it in your stock room, take an inventory, like you said, all the way up to kind of a forklift and a freezer, which is kind of what we're going to be talking about now. The different use cases where we really see and really like this unit being used, kind of specific to our industry and the customers that we're working with. So really that first one is, putting this thing on a forklift, kind of replacing your old vehicle mounted computers with kind of this newer, more modern tablet. Like you said, we can use it in the freezer. We can take it outside. It's going to withstand those environments. The great antennas on it are great for roaming, which you kind of talked about too. So just a great overall unit to be used in the warehousing space, specifically on those forklifts. And then really just the next one too is field services. So has like really nice, great big display. You can view it outside. Has cellular. It has CBRS. And it can be used with gloves. So again, just an overall very resistant, really rugged unit being able to be used in those different spaces. So now that we've kind of touched on that, let's go out to the warehouse and see how this thing does being dropped on the ground. All right, so as you can see here, we are up in our warehouse, and we're going to showcase the overall just rugged ability of the unit itself, and we're going to have Seth drop it and see how it fares.
Yeah, so here as you can see, the ET60 doesn't have any extra case on it, no screen protectors, it's just the bare tablet itself. So let's give it a drop and see how it does. So as you can see here, it handled that drop very well. The screen didn't crack, none of the housing broke. Everything looks great, and we're ready to get back to work. So here we are, we're at the stairwell, and we have a full flight of stairs here behind me, and we are gonna tumble this ET60 tablet all the way down and see how it does. So as you can see here, it handled that without a problem, turned right on, and it's ready to go. All right, so that wraps up our conversation here for the day. Thanks for having some fun with us up in the warehouse, testing the ruggedness on the device. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to Liberty Systems, and we'd be more than happy to continue the conversation with you.